Shout out to the new nigga. Frank don't know that I'm saying
doing
this.
better than pedals and all that.
Out doing pedals and Mr.
O.
O, son. For the new nigga that just came aboard, doing the thing. Shout out to you, my nigga. I got a bag of Cheetos and murder for you, my nigga. I got you, son. Let me put this shit on record. I'm a snitch. I will tell on any fucking body, any fucking time, for the simplest fucking shit. So don't commit no crimes with me. I'm a tattletale. Alright? 6 in the morning. Fucking walking to the dollar cab. Haven't taken a dollar cab in I don't know how many years. Just parked the truck on the right side. Going to Delaware today. Meeting up with Nature, Fluff, and Frank. Actually taking a dollar cab to Fluff crib. And then I think we're gonna grab breakfast first. And then go to, I don't know what. I see. Alright. To the dollar cab I go. One of them fake cabs saw me at the bus stop. So I'm used to the fucking vans. I'm like, yo, driver, I'm going to blah, 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 blah. He's like, alright, cool, get in. I'm like, how much? He's like, yo, $2. What, are you new or something? Yo. I guess I'm fucking spoiled. Let me on my bike, on my truck. But style of van, shit is crazy. He said, you knew something? Nah, I just don't fuck with it. But at the nigga Fluff crib now, you know, with him, with Frank, Nature. And I start recording from there again. Alright, I'm out. Frank house. Go ahead. Nah, I'm gonna show the truck. And there's a small mix-up. Get out of here, Fluff. It's Fluff and Frank fault. Right?
No, it's not. It's Pooh and Frank fault.
These niggas like, yo, Nate,
nah,
I got you, my nigga.
How am I gonna say I got you and I don't got a truck?
I'm gonna pull out the G5 and take y'all niggas.
Yeah, okay.
And I was like, who's gonna drive? Nobody knows who's driving.
I said, so I must have told him, yo, Nate, I'm gonna ride you on the back of my bike over there, and then get the fuck out of here.
So, conclusion was, Frank is driving this Escalade. We're gonna pick him up now, get some grub, and then hit the road. So shout out to the new nigga. Frank don't know that I'm saying
doing
this.
Better than pedals and all that.
Out doing pedals
and
Mr. O, son. For the new nigga that just came aboard, doing the thing. Shout out to you, my nigga. I got a bag of Cheetos and murder for you, my nigga. I got you, son.
I'll see his bag of Cheetos and give you a bag of Lay's.
Oh, nah, I ain't balling like that, nigga. I'm done. You got it. Alright, so Nature's here.
What's going on?
Frank driving.
Yo.
Oh, what the Fluff up here?
Oh, this your foot, Nature. And you are unforgettable.
Just getting ready to hit the road. Well, breakfast first?
What happened?
Yeah, Jersey.
Oh, straight there. Okay. I'm just a passenger, so whatever works. But I'm about to hit the road.
Delaware.
We in Jersey. I don't know what exit.
I think it's like exit like 4 or something like that.
We almost there. Got Fluff.
Man, I want to go back to New York.
Frank.
Yo, we out here. You know how it is.
Yo,
Me.
We about to walk in. We about to walk in Walt Whitman and get some shit that we about to go to Walt Whitman and get some shit that we can't afford.
Oh yeah. Let me put the shit on record. I'm a snitch. I will tell on any fucking body, any fucking time, for the simplest fucking shit. So don't commit no crimes with me. I'm a tattletale. Alright? So anyway, we're a few minutes out. This nigga Frank got a pee-pee and doo-doo. So once he do that, we're gonna it feel like it. But then oh yeah, so when we was going to South Carolina, it was right over there. It was like Fluff got he come down the step. Yeah, that's it. Alright, we'll get some grub maybe. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Bathroom break and then back to gym. Alright. We just got here. That's it right there. Well, I should say Ramnell, Harley Davidson. Nature's here. Pick up his new bad. Okay. Do like a little walk in and shit. You know what I'm saying? Get the whole story. Got the trike out. Frank.
Yo, sport bikes for life. We ain't even about this life.
He will one day. One day.
Still have it, fam.
What's up?
Something like, oh, I just purchased it. I'm lying.
No, you don't gotta say this is fluff anymore, right? I'm sure they're fully aware. Let's do like the walk. That's a brand new smell.
This is hot.
I can record, can I? My YouTube. My YouTube channel.
Before they bring it around front,
Alright, no problem. I got you.
because, no, I said before they bring it around front, I gotta have a talk with you. Are these full of these?
Alright, so yeah, man. I just want to get the bike. Start going to get. Fluffs, huh?
Yours, nigga.
I got the turn signal right there.
I like the
Turn it on.
I ain't gonna front just the rear
Yep.
back.
So you can see the lights and stuff.
You'll turn it on last, bro. You'll turn it on last. Oh, I got that shit you got. Forward, whatever bullshit.
Yo, look at this bully.
I know, that's when I was trying to show him, but he was sleeping on the phone. And guess how much they want?
How much you want for it?
Guess how much they want? 6.
1,000? You lying.
Guess what year it is?
What year?
2013.
You lying. Don't even say that, nigga.
Joe, that's what Joe was telling me. That's why I was on the phone with you like this. Pooh, look. They're about to ship it out.
So somebody bought it already?
No, nobody bought it. The place that owns this owns the auction. They're about to auction off the bike.
Yo, I don't even want to prove it, but
Look at the lights.
Oh, I gotta get the cage.
yo, did you see this thing?
No, I might have come over there now. Oh, I like the fuel gauge right there.
Look at this.
Or these still running lights too? Turn signals? That's cool. No, sorry. I wait till he started.
The lights. Because his signal lights is on each side.
Okay, I see it. Alright. I wait till he started. I have a question, right?
I'm at the Harley dealership with the big bro. Just got his fat boy. Fat boy for fat boy.
That's a big bell.
I said, oh no, you see, this looks like something different.
I was standing here. Thank you. That's a picture too.
You know, with level they stretch. I don't want to get them big. It's fit, but once I start sweating and
Gotta get that first start up. Well, it ain't the first, but
It's crucial video.
you gotta get wet, you gotta re-stretch, ride, spring. Got 30 main inches on the attached.
I noticed, Joe? You know what else I noticed just now? You hear it. He was struggling with the clutch before. Roll guard. He's not struggling with that clutch. That fits him, son.
yeah, that's it,
It
man.
fits him.
So someone is new bike, right? I think it's pretty happy. Harley. Fancy. There you go again. What you think? Nice, huh?
Like
It fits you. It fits.
Wait. What was you saying about the exhaust unit?
Wow.
Oh, okay. Then I think you're gonna love it. Oh, okay. I told you was gonna love it. Okay.
Yo. It takes a
So
little
the
while
verdict.
for the noodle.
That's the bike form. It's a new bike. Different seat position, handlebars, the whole nine, but he's a natural born rider. He'll get it. He's happy, man. I'm gonna hurry up before Fluff starts talking.
Got 30 million next year on the tax.
Sounds like something coming. Sounds like something coming to me. Ooh. Is that Nature Boy?
Yo, this
Raggedy fucking bikers. Pedals.
So we in Delaware. Nature got his bike. Frank driving.
You got a better bike than me. No, you don't.
Fluff in the front.
This shit looked good before you fucked it up.
These two niggas still arguing as usual. Nature is. Where's Nature? Trying to get a fucking argument. My shit for. So, ride his
Good
bike.
friend, Fluff. I see that.
Go pull up.
Don't even worry about it.
You're looking around. Whoa.
Like as soon as we get in Jersey, we gassing up. This shit ain't even on a quarter. Damn, and I'm hungry. God damn. Yo, fool. This is the second time you done did this shit. Yo, every time we get on the highway.
I'm in the back, son.
Every time we get on the highway, we like, just chill, we'll eat. Nature. Yo, he like, yo, chill, we'll eat when we get to Delaware.
Yo, boo.
Nigga, I ain't ate yet.
Yo, look.
I'm on a fucking 2 day. Hey, boo boo.
Yo, pull up.
Hey, boo-boo.
Look at your old thick ass. Fucking starving, man. I ain't ate yet. Yo, call me Malibu from now on. This bitch coming out of wings to go spot. I'm greedy ass.
So yeah, man, heading back to New York. It's gonna work. Fluff gotta go to work. Me and Frank is off.
Well, Frank is off permanently, but look.
We out here, man.
Paycheck bigger than yours.
Big ass arms. His arms.
You are something else, young man. You are something else. Who do you think you are, young man? Who do you think you are? They gotta go.